Hey, this is Carlton Combs with the Blue Sky Strong Box. This next exercise is a unilateral single arm row. I'm going to show you a bunch of different variations because there's a lot of different ways to do this. I'm going to start off with the most basic first. If you're at home, these tubing bands work really good, but you're going to need something to anchor it into a door jamb with, or you can wrap it around a pole. But what I'm going to do is simply I'm going to take the two handles, I'm going to put one handle through the other, pull it tight, and then now you've got something to create a little tension with. And what I want to do is I want to stand here, stand with our feet apart, nice straight spine, and I want you to row back. When you row back, the most important thing is you're trying to bring your elbows straight back and bring your shoulder blades together in the back. You're going to keep everything tight. Don't pull too high and don't pull too low. You want to be right, make a nice right angle with your arm and pull back. You're going to go do one set on one side and the next set immediately after on the other side. Make sure that when you do these, that you're not twisting, your body stays and your shoulders stay straight ahead. And you're pulling back. If you're in a gym, you can use one of the cable pulls and just put a single arm handle on it. Also, another variation I like is to start with your knuckles facing up and pull till your knuckles are facing down. So you're kind of doing a twist, pulling back like that. Straight back. Another variation you can do on these is you can go to single leg, but make sure your spine is nice and straight. Go to the opposite leg and pull. You could also take the same exercise and do with whatever leg you're holding it with, go do a backwards lunge with that same leg. So backwards lunge, pull. Backwards lunge, you can do a knuckle up to knuckle down pull. Lots of different variations. Work on that. It's a good exercise. Bye.